see what is this contact us. Here, we have provided options to residents such as society services, apartment services, and miscellaneous. Now let us see what service type contains in all these services. Here it contains all the society services which are listed in the home screen. Apartment services also contains all the list which are displayed in the home screen. And if we select on miscellaneous, you could get to see all the list in the navigation route. If nothing is there, you can write his problem regarding that particular service and click on submit request. And he clicks on submit request. An immediate notification will be sent to society admin and he will take appropriate action. And if president clicks on OK, he will be redirected to history screen where he could see all the details he has entered in the previous screen.